I'm Gheda, a well-being coach. Our colleagues are not difficult. They might be overwhelmed. Stress doesn't stay private, it spreads very quickly. Everyone handles stress in a different way. Sometimes we can't handle it at all. It doesn't mean we are weak, it means we are only humans. Judging each other at these times only creates tension, but empathy creates safety. When crew feels supported, the whole environment changes. Communications improve, stress lowers, performance rises. Empathy is not weakness, it's a leadership. Follow me if your well-being matters.